Gold has achieved all-time high levels with the market open today, and it has also filled the gap as I shared in the morning update. 2030 levels are done. It was a sell at around 2040 2045 zone, and see now back to the same levels. At the same time, silver too back in the zone 2540 2560 as I shared many a times. 2540 and 2560 previously this was the resistance, now it is going to be the support. So what to expect with the US session today, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. First we'll look into gold followed with silver. To watch till the end. Let's start. Also you can be part of my free telegram channel, link is mentioned in the channel and video description. There you will get the live market update. On the hourly chart, see gold diverged from the 20 period moving average. It has converged. Now it is again trying to look upwards, trying to show bullishness. Now only sell entry is below 2038 levels. Below 2038, yes, you can sell. And then 2028, 2020 levels. Remember 2020. Previously, this was the resistance. Now it is going to be the greater support for gold if it continues to drop on the downside. Stochastic is rising, looking upwards. MACD on the other hand is still bearish. It has crossed over at a slightly higher levels and indicating that there could be a potential move, but let's be cautious and watchful. RSI very near to the comfortable levels. It was earlier overbought, but with a little drop, this has dropped too. Now look at the 2 hour. Now see on the 2 hour charts, look at these two candles, 2045, 2046 levels. Now this is the third candle getting the resistance at the same zone, and hence you can buy here at 2046 and then expect 2050 and beyond 2050. In fact, there is a possibility that 2065, 2075 can be expected again. But then till 2075 levels, 2060 levels, you need to be very cautious, at least till 2060 2065 levels. Beyond that, certainly it is going to continue with the bullish momentum. Hence, first let it break past 2046, buy there, expect 2050 as the first target, and beyond that further bullishness might take it for 2060-65 zone, the next resistance. Stochastic at bottom trying to rise, MACD on the other hand crossing again at the top, and it is trying to trade with a little bearishness, trying to trade with a little divergence. RSI very near to the overbought zone. It was overbought, now it has cooled down a bit. Now look at the 3 hour charts. On the 3 hour chart, see the divergence from the 20 period. It has tried to converge, extreme divergence. Now looking down. Now see the 2020 levels also, 20 period moving average. This is also going to be a good support if it continues or its downward journey. You can sell here at 2038. Now see what I am saying. Higher lows, lower highs. So yes, even if you are selling at 2038, be cautious of 2032, 2035 till 2028. Be watchful, and once it drops below 2028, it is going to give you very good drop. So even if you are selling at 2038, be watchful and cautious for 2034, 32 and then 28 levels. Stochastic drop there. MACD trying to converge crossover for a sell. It is still bullish. RSI very near to the top there, very near to the overbought levels. And if you look at 4 hour, now see on the 4 hour charts, we are getting a reversal indication here. However, it has to break past this candle 2046 levels in order to confirm the rise. Possibly the next candle, when it starts, it may try to achieve 2050, 2060 levels. That is something I will wait for it. At the same time, if it stays below 2038, you can sell here and expect that higher lows, higher highs. Higher highs means 2032, 2034 zone should be a greater support here. The stochastic has dropped, MACD is bullish, and see this is achieved extremely good levels here. See, this was the previous high, almost it has breached this, but it has a potential that it can continue with this. RSI overbought, and if you look at on the daily charts, first of all, see this candle has a flat opening, and remember it traded outside Bollinger Bands. That is why there is a strong pullback here. Yes, the Bollinger Bandwidth has expanded. However, this candle again is trying to get the pullback, get the resistance there on the with the help of the Bollinger Bands, and trying to restrain itself, trying to limit itself within this zone. Hence, only thing is if it breaks past 2060 levels, then only confirm that there is a strong or short rise over there. You can buy at 2046, expect 2054, 60 levels, and if this breaks past this, certainly we should consider this for a good rise, good reversal. The stochastic comfortable on the daily charts. MACD on the daily charts has crossed over at a bottom, and it is now trying to diverge, trying to trade bullish. RSI is looking down, trying to show a little weakness. Considering this, in between 2038 and 2046, do not take any trade. On the downside, till 2020, put a trailing stop loss. The support levels will come into picture at 34, 32, 28, then 20 levels. On the upside, you can buy here at 2046. However, 50, 54, 60, and then beyond that, sky is the limit. We might see 2075, 2085 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, be a part of my mentorship batch. My 22nd batch starts on first week of June. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now silver on the hourly charts, clearly trading with the divergence from the 20 period and now trying to again trade. So see, first rise, support, rise, retracement. Now again, this is the third wave. It is trying to create a channel of its own, and this is a bullish channel here. And any point of time, 2540 is the level. If you see any point of time silver trading below 2540, certainly you can stay short. Now see, it is trading above the resistance levels at 2560, and hence 2580 something you should watch out for. Then 2610 levels will be seen. Stochastic was at bottom trying to rise. MACD on the other hand trading with little divergence. This is bearish. RSI flat, and if you look at 2 hour charts, on the 2 hour charts too, higher lows, higher highs. Wait for it to break past. In fact, 2550 levels you can sell. 2540 the first support, and below that only further bearish move can be expected. So yes, you can sell here at 2550, but then till 2540 do not consider this as bearish. The stochastic at bottom trying to rise. MACD has trying to cross over for a sell entry, and this is at a very good top there, very good rise, very good levels here. But let's see if it crosses over and goes for a sell. RSI comfortable, neither bullish nor bearish. On the 3 hour chart, similar is the observation, nothing different. Stochastic here too has dropped. MACD is at a high and RSI flat. And if you look at the 4 hour charts, likewise. Now see, on the 4 hour charts you can clearly see higher lows, higher highs, and look at these two candles, same higher lows, higher highs. So now the support levels at 2550 is going to be strong, and below that till 2540 do not consider this is bearish. Below 2540 only you can expect that it is going to trade bearish, else potential reversal can be seen. Stochastic was overbought, now looking down. At the same time, MACD is bullish still. It is still in green, and it has seen a good rise from the bottom. RSI comfortable, neither bullish nor bearish. Now look at the daily chart. See, on the daily charts, here it was trading with the divergence from the 20 period moving average. The convergence is seen. Now again started to diverge. 2610 certainly is a good resistance zone. Now see, it traded outside Bollinger Bands, and now it is trying to limit its movement within this zone, and hence 26 on the upside, 2540, 2520 on the downside. This swing zone you should remain cautious of. It can try to stay within this zone. The stochastic rising, MACD is bearish. It is trying to converge crossover. It is not yet crossed over. RSI very near to the top there. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell at 2550, but then 2540 first target. Till 2520 every 10 cents you have to put a trailing stop loss, or you have to put a trailing stop loss with the gap of 10 cents, so that till 2520, even 2530 is a good support. 2520 is the next support, and only if it stays below 2520 we are going to see the bearishness. At the same time, on the upside you can buy here at 2580 levels, but then beyond that you can expect $26 levels as the next target, 2610 as the next, and beyond that only we can see it hitting 2650 and $27 levels in the near future. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or trading queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.